bold primary colors, excuse me. You know, your red and blues and your yellow. Here's some pink. Here's your primary and secondary colors and some ethnic kind of looking designs. So we're going to start here in the bathroom. So here we are in the bathroom. So you can see I took some of those colors, the ethnic designs, kind of just really bold and bright, which is great because it's so neutral in here with the beige shower and the gray floor and the wood furniture. So it's just really nice to have that pop of color in here. And this mat has been installed for 4 years in front of the shower and gets wet quite a bit, and it's holding up really well. And what's nice about these rugs in the bathroom, they help prevent from slipping, and they're a little comfortable on the feet.